Софочка, скажи а-а-а.
This is 20 ringgit. This is 100 ringgit. Okay, which one you want? Bandana!
Say milk. I'll teach you. Milk. Very good.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I.
He said, I love you perfect. I love you.
Thank you. Can you say it? Thank you. Nine. Молчи.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
Did you want to come for a snuggle? Okay, well then let's do it. Come here.
Sing. Two pies. Two pies. Dance. Good boy. High five. High five. One paw. One paw. Good boy.
Tut, tut. Kızım tut. Ha, aferin. Ha, itiyoruz. Tamam.
Serafino.
Can you hold on?
Yeah, I've been here the whole time.
Talking nonstop. Probably wants to tell a story or demand playtime from the human.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. Like right now.
What a shock. Look at that bewildered face.
I could just gobble him up.
Come and go. Baby, I gotta go. I gotta go pee.
Meow if you love me. Oh!
When you adopt a cat, but accidentally, bring home a talking companion.
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son?
Por favor.
Can I get a ha ha? Ha ha ha.
Just closed the door and already worried sick. You can tell from the cries how much it loves the human. This cat must know at least 3 languages, including cat language.
You look so great. Do you like your bow tie? Ruby, what are you doing? You just trying to share Dad's string. I put my puppet on, Dad.
Oh gosh.
What you doing with your tongue?
So cute
Can I
and
get a high
smart.
five?
Understands the command
Thank
and gives a
you.
high five like a pro.
Thank you.
One arm, one kitten. One blink later, nap mode activated.
I'm so hungry I could eat Nimbus.
The me reaction followed by running away is hilariously adorable.
Can you say hello? Yes, you did. Gordon, you know you're not allowed on the table. You know you're not allowed up there. Come on. Come on. Get down.
Sheldon. Sheldy.
Annie, guess what? Chicken butt. Guess what happened at work today? You don't care.
Kayla.
Little Paws track the itch stick like a Jedi sensing the Force.
I can do this one, right?
Hold on, I'm recording.
Good. Yep.
The cat looks worried when it sees its owner taking a bath.
Chasing my own tail like I've just discovered a brand new life form.
Hey.
Can you even fit in there? I don't think you can even fit in there, can you? Now you think you can make more room?
Whether it fits or not doesn't matter. What matters is trying.
He bites everyone but her. His heart whispers, "She's the one I'd never hurt."
Bang, you're dead. Roll over. Good girl, find it quick.
Every hero starts small, like saving mom's hand from an imaginary monster invasion.